Hi everybody, so today we're going to talk about inheritance and genetic variation. This is a paper model in which we will color, and it represents what's called a pedigree, a lineage, a family tree. So this is called the family elf activity, okay? So we are going to represent each of the grandparents with colored construction paper, and each of these papers, each of these pieces of construction paper represents either external traits or internal traits. Okay, physical traits that we can see would be external traits. Physical with traits within the body, ones we cannot see. Okay, so we've got all these traits. So Grandpa A, is represented with blue. So what I want you to do is go ahead and take your elf model, and you are going to color blue all the way down the line, okay? And then Grandma A is represented with red. So I'm gonna go ahead and color Grandma A with red. Then I'm gonna take the green marker, and I'm gonna take 6 of these traits, and I'm gonna color Grandpa B with 6 green squares. And then Grandma B will be represented with yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and take the yellow and color 6 yellow all the way down. Okay? So now in sexual reproduction, we have 2 organisms, male and female, that combine to produce 1 offspring. Okay, so here we have the mother. So we are going to take 3 from Grandpa A, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to take 3 traits, either physical or external or internal traits, and we're going to put them for the mom. Okay, I'm going to put Grandma and Grandpa there aside. So now they have the offspring. Okay, they have 3 red and 3 blue. So I'm going to go ahead and get 3 red and 3 blue and color 3 red and 3 blue. 50% from one grandparent and 50% from another. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the father. Now for the father, I'm going to go ahead and use Grandpa B and Grandma B. Okay, so then I'm going to take the father, and I'm going to get 3 traits from each one. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to get 3, 50, 50 down the line. Half of our traits are received from mother, half of our traits are received from father. So then I'm going to go ahead and take the green color, 3, and fill out for the father 3 traits, either physical or traits that we cannot see, and 3 from Grandma B. Okay, now I'm not going to need Grandma and Grandpa's anymore, so I'm going to put them aside. Now we've got sexual reproduction with the father and mother. Okay, so father and mother have produced, sexually reproduced, and they have 4 children. They have Julie, Jim, Jill, and Joe. So Julie has 6 of these traits. 50% are from mother and 50% are from father. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick out 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 from mom, and then they get 3 from dad. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and color Julie's. Julie received 3 from mom. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put him back. And she received 2 yellow and 1 green from dad. Again, 50% of our genes come from half of our parents. 2 yellow and 1 green. Okay, for Julie. Now I'm going to put all the papers back, and I'm going to do the same thing for Jim. Okay, same thing for Jim. Okay, so now Jim, let me mix them up. Jim, 3 from mom. 3 from mom, and 3 from dad. Okay, so I'm going to color for Jim. I'm going to take 1, 2 blue, 1 red, And then I'm going to take 2 green and 1 yellow for Jim. I'm going to put the traits back and I'm going to shuffle them again. And then again, I'm going to get 3 from Mom for Jill, 3 from Dad for Jill. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. I'm trying to do this as randomly as possible because our traits, we don't really get to decide which traits we get from which parent. Okay? So 2 red, 1 blue, 2 green, and 1 yellow. Okay, again, these construction papers are imitating the traits that we receive from our parents. Okay, the last sibling to be born is Joe, Jose. So here we have Jose. We need one more. So Jose received half of its traits from Mom, half of its traits from Dad. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write in 1 yellow, 2 green, 1 yellow, 2 green, and 2 blue, and 1 red. Okay, and 1 red. Okay, so now that we have our family members complete, our family tree, let's go ahead and discuss inheritance and genetic variation with the 3 questions, the 3 discussion questions. Thank you. See you in a bit.